Welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you about how to create 1,000 Facebook pages automatically with just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to Page Admin and choose Create Page Profile function. Step 2. You can create page name by type into page name file. Step 3. Type information you want to add to your pages such as category, phone number, website, email, address. Step 4. Choose avatar and cover folder to set for your pages. Finally, choose accounts you use to create pages and click Start. The software will auto-create multiple Facebook fan page for you with all your information. This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Facebook fan page. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.